Hi Taurus, this is your weekly reading. I'm going to look at your energies from the 7th of May to the 14th of May. I'm going to see what energies are coming to you. I have already taken out your cards and also clarified them, and I will be talking about your general situation, then your career, and then your personal life. What is going on in that? And I have taken out various oracle cards to understand your situation in a better manner. So, what is in your environment is the Knight of Cups. So, Knight of Cups in the environment tells me that some corrections or some message of love or information is coming towards you from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone is coming back to you. So there could be major reconciliation energy coming to you. This could be a past person, this could be your ex coming back, this could be some offer coming to you from where you got rejected. So there is a Three of Swords and Five of Cups energy upon which the Knight of Cups is coming in. This can be also your energy, which has decided to move forward with diplomacy and has decided to move towards someone with apologies, maybe. So this could be both ways, but this is in your environment. Most probably this person is coming towards you, or another person is coming towards you with love. So there is a possibility of reconciliation in life. Whatever you may have gone through, which gave you sorrow, which gave you the setback energy, whether it is in your career situation or whether it is in your personal life. It can also mean that some of you have gone through health situation which was really bad. There is some cure coming in, someone is bringing it for you. So now you will unexpectedly see strength, bravery coming back after a total downfall. So there was a downfall, there was a ruination, there was some kind of bankruptcy energy with the Ten of Swords. So Ten of Swords can be ruined in health, ruined in your personal life, ruined in your career. But with the Strength card, you are standing back once again, Taurus, and you are going to show lot of patience, power, and bravery in this time period. Though you could be struggling, but you are coming out as someone who has the compassionate energy of making progress with their bravery, with their voice, with their actions. And you could be a bit restrained. You could be one of those people who are showing their resilience by even not taking action. So it is like you have decided to stand up for yourself. You dig in your heels in a situation that was totally adverse for you. So what we see is Three of Cups and the Nine of Wands energy, which is about not giving up despite the trial and errors, despite the rejection selection process. With the Three of Cups, you will be healing in this situation and you will feel much better. So what's coming to you is the World and the Hierophant. So the Hierophant is the identifier of Taurus, endorsing your reading. With the World, it's telling us that some wishes are going to get completed, some project is going to get completed. There is a possibility that some of you are moving towards institutional growth. If you are part of an institution, you could be moving towards an advised conventional upgrade in life. This can give you Ten of Cups. It can be a commitment, it can be a marriage, it can be a community development, it can be your own development in terms of achieving your dreams which you have seen about a situation that was far away from you, but now it is looking that as if you will be able to complete that. It can be a buying of a house with the Ten of Cups, it could be that getting a promotion, going abroad, it can be traveling abroad, it can be, getting the best advice for health or personal life, getting some counseling from an expert, and that can catapult you towards success, because world card is all about success and movement to a new situation in life. That is about, long drawn situation coming to an end, and a new start of some sort, where you could be in a foreign land, you could be in a unknown atmosphere, unknown place, unknown environment, but you are savoring that new energy with the 10 of cups feeling. So this is, getting to know people, this is about achieving some targets in your life goals of some sort will be accomplished in this time period. You are coming in, some of you could be having a birth of a child or as well, so that's going to bring lot of loving happiness in your life. It might be difficult, but it is happening. So the Queen of Pentacles is your energy. So Queen of Pentacles energy means that you are practical, you are grounded, standing on your 2 feet. Everyone stands, though this means that you are practical, you are a contributor in your family, you are a worthy component of your community or family. So you are coming showing as a person who is responsible, accountable, loving, caring, nurturing. So you are in the spirit, you have a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy around you with the Queen of Cups, with the Nine of Pentacles. You will have great energies of feeling accomplished. You will be having great energies of feeling as if you have fulfilled a long drawn, economic goal as well in this time period. With the Knight of Wands showing here, this can be that some of you are moving forward towards a new goal, and you are moving with a purpose. So there is a shift in your energies with the fire energy. Yesterday I did the Aries reading. There were there was a feeling that I am reading out for some Taurus Aries people. So here is also another energy combining with the fire energy combining. So it could be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo energy with Taurus. So you could be having this energy in your chart, which is about moving forward passionately towards a goal. So commitments will be fulfilled in this time period. That is what I am seeing. And with the Six of Pentacles, some of you will be getting gifts, benefits, blessings, and compensation. So some of you could be getting a loan, some of you could be getting some bonus, some of you could be getting some help of monetary energies are coming in, which is going to bring prosperity in your life. So Nine of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles is a very very good identifier of money coming in your economy. However, in your economy, some of you are pursuing higher education, some of you are pursuing your craft or your skill. With the Page of Pentacles, it is always in your hand, and you have a practical good situation in your economy. So even if you are not doing too well, you have something in your hand which keeps giving you money. At this time you have the accumulation of Seven of Pentacles, so many Pentacles energy coming for you. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups, you are also evaluating, waiting for things to happen, waiting for your economy to give you that signal to choose an option. But at this time you are looking a bit in some kind of waiting energy or evaluation energy, but it is a good energy which I am seeing finally you will move. That is what the Knight of Wands is telling me. Whether it is in your job or whether it is in your personal life, there is going to be a purposeful shift in your energies. In terms of your love situation or personal life with friends or family members, I am seeing the energy of Eight of Swords, Four of Cups. So something bad had happened, you had released that, and however, there is going to be some kind of improvement coming in with the Page of Cups. Someone will be sending an information, a message. Eight of Pentacles is telling me that you will be concentrating more on what is your foundational wealth or your practical energies at this time. You are ready to embrace that rather than putting your mind in woolly dreamy situations. But there is a woolly dreamy person around you who is coming back maybe, but you are concentrating on your work. That is what I am seeing. Or you could be with the greater energy of Hermit and the Temperance. What is happening is in your life, whether it is in your work or whether it is in your personal life, you are introspecting, you are taking a break or a retreat, and you are going to draw upon your wisdom. Some of you could be feeling a bit lonely, but when you are, isolated, and when you are in lot of thinking or thought energy, you make the correct decision of healing. So you will be healing yourself with the Temperance card. You will be more flexible as you come out of your isolation. You will be more adaptable to offers coming to you. So basically, unexpectedly, what had happened was a tower situation in your life which spelled out disaster, but you gradually came back to Four of Pentacles. That is, you became more conservative regarding whatever gave you this horrible jerk. And with the Seven of Wands, you have been fighting for your rights, but you are safe. With the Three of Pentacles, unexpectedly collaborations will happen and you will get some support from people. So what is coming to you as your outcome is in the near future, there is the energy of the Fool and the Star, and with the Page of Swords and the Six of Wands, there will be an informed victory in your situation. So angels are saying that have hope regarding your new movements that are just on the horizon. So do not wallow in any kind of sadness or despair, because after you come out of the retreat energy, you will see that you have to take a new path, you have to move towards the unknown, you have to make a decision. And with the star energy, stars are guiding you towards this path. Do not be scared. So in terms of your love, what I am seeing is you have retreated or taken a break. It's time to disconnect from the world. Separation has affected you, or you have separation on the horizon with an unrequited love. It could be there's not enough attraction or chemistry in the relationship. So you have decided to be that either you are dealing with an inactive person with the Hangman energy, or you have decided to relinquish this person or get away from this person. So the keepers are showing the Coffin card. So there could be an ending of some sort that will be totally over in this time period. It could be a situation of poverty or lack. Some of you may have gone through this difficulty of lack in your life. You are not taking much action, but because you have retreated in your life, so there is a possibility that time will help you with the Hermit and the Temperance. So you will reach some kind of negotiating capacity after a defeat, or you don't give up, you are struggling and you are brave. So with the strength energy, you are managing that. There could be, however, in this week a journey that could take place. For some of you, there is the distant horizon card, that is your world and the Ten of Cups. which is coming to you. This is, something out of the blue coming for you, which is getting completed, and it will be a great energy of happiness for you and others around you. So there is a possibility of great accomplishment, and that is connected to distant horizons. This is something you always look for. It could be a vacation in a foreign land, it could be a accomplishment of relocating dreams, it could be coming back to your homeland, it could be anything that you have been thinking, and the world card is bringing you to this new situation. So there is a possibility that a rich man or a wealthy man will support you. There will be a judication situation. Some of you will be taking expert advice, consultation from professionals. So lawyer, doctor visits, could be banker coming in telling you something, could be some counselor telling you something, or someone close to you will be taking consultation in this time period, could be your family members. So reconciliation is the big part here, and angels are saying with the peacekeeper card that let go of the need of being right all the time. So it's not important for you to be correct all the time, so let go of that energy. Oracle card has come for you. It is telling you to wait for important information. Some important message or information is coming towards you. Wait with your patience energy. Stargazer card is coming for you. It is telling you set your sights higher. Do not look at what you have lost. Look at what life can bring you, and look towards the bigger, better, greater things in life. So Taurus, this is your reading. If you have liked, and sorry I forgot, happy birthdays to every one of you who will be celebrating their birthdays in this season, and also for those people of whom I missed wishing you, or you haven't heard my last reading. So many happy returns, many good tidings, and I will pray for you that this year is good for you, Taurus. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can contact me for a personal reading through the email ID in the description box. Sometimes I take time to read your mails, but ultimately I read them and send you the procedure to book my readings. Usually whenever I am too booked, I do not respond, but I respond eventually, so your chance will come. So this is the way I do, because I am a single person. I do not have secretaries to help me, so I have to, and also I have my own responsibilities at home, and also towards the people who consult me, and also this video work. So it takes time to process the applications, the people who write to me. Then I definitely respond, and I then you can book your reading. So that's it. Enjoy and keep watching this space, Tarot Priestess 1313. This will always be bringing you new readings. This will be bringing you new information. Thank you so much. Bye bye.